Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to write an essay on my garden in about 10 lines. If you do like this essay, check out my other essay topics as well. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's get started with writing an essay on my garden. I have a small, beautiful garden in front of my house. There are many beautiful flowers like roses, orchids, sunflowers, and lilies in my garden. My grandfather loves gardening. I play with my pet dog, Rocky, in the garden. Every evening, whenever I go for a vacation with my family, we visit the nurseries in the neighborhood and collect more plant saplings for our garden. My favorite flower is orchid, and we have different varieties in our garden. Beautiful butterflies hover above the flowers. There is a papaya tree in my garden which bears sweet fruits. Gardening is my favorite hobby, and I love to spend time in my garden. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Check out my other essay topics as well. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.